Wine glass with balloon-shaped bowl, ideal for serving red wine. Includes 20-ounce red wine glasses made of clear lead-free glass for optimal presentation and enjoyment. Long stem for easy holding and round flat base for securely setting the glass down on a table. Dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Made in the USA. Glass may break if at temperature difference of 194 degrees Fahrenheit or greater, like if a glass with hot water is put into the freezer or hot water is poured into a frozen glass, for example. Product dimensions, 8.6 inches, H. An Amazon brand. Top reviews from the United States. High quality and beautiful set. Sleek, eloquent and great quality. I am a wine connoisseur newbie, and I don't think I could have made a better purchase of a set of wine glasses. The price is ridiculously low for such a great set. I love the classic long stem that allows you to hold the glass and keep your hand off the bowl, which transfers the heat of your hand to the wine. Easy to hold also. I would highly recommend.